this is Patty Lynch, your independent consultant with Princess House, and I want to talk to you about our 4-in-1 immersion blender. You can do 4 food prep appliances all in one. So this is 4 appliances all in one gadget. I absolutely love it. You can blend it up. So this is the attachment right here. It goes on to all of these accessories to make it work for you. You can, let's see, this one here, blend and puree soup, sauces, and more directly in your cookware, or use the Beaker right here. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna take this, you're gonna stick it on here, so easy to do, and you can do all your shakes and things like that. So Beaker can be made with milkshakes, smoothies, salad dressings. I've made homemade whipped cream, mayonnaise, so many options. So that one is your blending tool, comes right off. Then we have this, which is like a food processor. You just twist and go. And this is great to chop up all your nuts, hard cheeses, great for salsas, guacamole, and more. Perfect for your salsas, love it. Then we're gonna switch it up and we're gonna mash. Now I know you've seen me mash up a few things. I've done mashed potatoes. It makes the smoothest mashed potatoes ever. And so you mash up your beans. Oh, if you guys love beans, for your what are those called? Enchiladas and stuff, this will mash them right up. Or you can cook your vegetables and fruits directly in the cookware and mash them all up with this. Perfect. And then the last one is you're gonna whip it up. So this one here, you have to take off this extra attachment, and then you just put it right back and it twists. So of course you're gonna whip up your scrambled eggs, your whipping creams, your sweet meringues, and more. So this whole set, like I said, comes with all of these accessories. I'm gonna put this one back on here, locks it in. There we go. This whole set, all of these pieces, you are saving, okay? And I think you're saving about $56. This set right now is for $129. So you can get this whole set for $129 plus tax and shipping. We ship anywhere in the United States or APO boxes, and you don't need to have a qualifying purchase. You can just buy it as it is for $129. You can reach me at Patty Lynch at myprincesshouse.com, or you can comment below and I can follow up with you. So I just wanted to tell you about our 4-in-1 immersion blender. It's 4 food prep appliances all in one. Some people call this the stick blender. It is 400 watts of power. So you'll be able to go with no issues at all. So thank you very much. Again, it's Patty Lynch, your independent consultant with Princess House. And remember that I believe in you and you should believe in yourself, and have a fantastic day. Bye-bye.